And thereof, early lead is taken by Sweet Victory by the rail, and on the outside is Echo Mac, Blue Eagle running in third, Ating, Santorini moving up on the outside, and Security Thunder is bringing up the rear. The lead is taken over now by Echo Mac, followed by entry number 2, Sweet Victory, and Blue Eagle running in third on the outside, Santorini, Ating, and Security Thunder. The mid-back stretch, it is still Echo Mac leading now by 3.5 lengths, followed by Blue Eagle. And Sweet Victory drops back to third, Security Thunder moving up on the inside, Santorini and Ating. And now the last bend for home, it is still Echo Mac. It's Echo Mac leading the field by almost 5.5 lengths, followed by Security Thunder, Blue Eagle on the farther outside. At the top of the stretch, it is still Echo Mac in the lead, followed by Security Thunder by the rail, Blue Eagle, Santorini. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Echo Mac in the lead, followed by Blue Eagle on the outside. And finally, at the payoff line, it's a cinch for entry number 3, Echo Mac, Security Thunder, Blue Eagle, Santorini, Ating.
Okay, top choice prevailed dito sa race number 6. Unofficial order of arrival, 3